Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a gold investment strategy with APMEX step by step clearly. Start by defining your investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve with gold investing. Assess your risk tolerance to understand how much volatility you can handle. Research the current gold market trends and prices. Visit the APMEX website to explore available gold products. Browse different types of gold investments, such as coins, bars, and ETFs. Compare premiums on various gold products to identify the best value. Create a budget outlining how much you are willing to invest. Decide on the percentage of your total portfolio that will be allocated to gold. Open an account with APMEX if you don't already have one. Choose the gold products that fit within your budget and investment strategy. Consider potential costs associated with buying, storing, and selling gold. Review the APMEX shipping options and make arrangements for secure delivery. Evaluate storage options, including home safes, bank safety deposit boxes, or third-party vaulting services. Develop a timeline for your investment, considering both short-term and long-term goals. Regularly monitor the gold market to stay informed about price changes and trends. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Keep documented records of your gold purchases and their performance over time. Stay disciplined with your investment strategy and avoid emotional reactions to market fluctuations. Reassess your strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.